In this guide, we'll walk you through easy and effective ways to troubleshoot the family sharing iCloud storage issue. Method 1. Check the setup process first. Step 1. To ensure that your family members can access the shared iCloud storage, you must add them to your family sharing and include them in your iCloud storage plan. Step 2. Head over to the Settings application on your iPhone, tap on the Your Name Family Sharing option, and then hit on the iCloud Storage button. You will see if your family members are available for iCloud shared storage. Step 3. If they have already been included in your iCloud storage plan, proceed to the troubleshooting section. If not, head over to iCloud Storage, select the Let Your Family Know option, and then hit the Send button to send an invitation to a family member. Step 4. For family members to be able to join the iCloud storage plan, advise them to open their phone's Messages application, tap on the iCloud invitation, and finally hit the Accept button to share iCloud storage with other family members. Method 2. Ensure you are using the correct Apple ID. On your iPhone, Step 1. Navigate to the Settings application on your iPhone and tap on the profile of your Apple device. Step 2. Confirm if you are using the correct Apple ID. On your Mac, Step 1. Tap on the Apple logo and navigate to the System Preference option. Step 2. Navigate to the iCloud option to view the Apple ID details. On your Apple TV, Step 1. Navigate to your Setting application and tap on the Users and Accounts option. Step 2. Check if you are using the correct Apple ID details. Method 3. Update the iOS device. Step 1. Launch the Settings application on your iOS device and tap on the General Software Update button. Step 2. Tap the Download and Install button to install the available updates. Now try to access family sharing iCloud storage and check if the issue is resolved. Method 4. Sign out and re-log into your iCloud account. Step 1. Launch Settings on your iPhone and tap on the Apple ID details. Step 2. Tap on the Sign Out button. Wait for some time and sign into your Apple account again. Method 5. Remove and add the family members again. Step 1. Open Settings and tap your name. Then click the Family Sharing option. Step 2. Hit the Stop Family Sharing button. If you'd like to be a part of the plan again, one of your family members must invite you by going to the Family Sharing option and selecting the Add Member button. Method 6. Force restart your iPhone. If you want to troubleshoot an issue on the iCloud family sharing storage not working snag, one of the most straightforward solutions is to force restart it. For iPhones 8 and later, press both the volume down and volume up buttons simultaneously, with a hold of the side button until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, restart your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus by simultaneously holding and pressing the sleep wake and volume up buttons until an Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen. For iPhone 6 and earlier, to activate your iPhone 6 or earlier, press and hold the sleep wake button and home buttons together until an Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen.